I really like about the new NARS shadows is the amazing color range, the wonderful textures that are so blendable and buildable. The fact that you can use these shades individually or team them to make your own colors. It's a real artist's palette that anybody can use. Here I'm going to be using two Pure Pop shades. Persia, which is a beautiful orange tone, and Fatale, which is this amazing red. So I'm going to prep the eye with tinted smudge-proof eyeshadow base, which helps to even out the skin tone. It helps the eyeshadow glide on super easily, and it intensifies the pigment of the eyeshadow and makes it last all day. So I'm going to start with Persia, the orange shade, and the Precision Contour Brush, just pushing the color into the bridge of the eye to create this really sunny halo. You can see how amazingly buildable these shades are. So just add in a little product, fading out the edge upwards towards the brow bone, and just add an inner corner pop there, just to create a kind of highlight. Now, Fatale, the red shade, is literally just gonna fill that gap. So a good way to really build the color up is to kind of do small patting applications rather than sweeping. It really helps to build it into an impactful stage of the color. Now I'm just going to start building in a little bit more orange, but then just where these colors meet, I'm going to do a side to side just to marry those two together. So we've got the impact of the color on the halo of the bridge, but a nice fading together of the two shades. I think a lot of people may be intimidated by these super bright colors, but I think if it suits your skin tone, just be confident and wear it. So just keep patting, adding, building. I mean, it only gets better when you add more. These bold, high impact colors are really fun to experiment with and will allow you to push your artistry to the limits. With such a strong eye look like this, I think we can apply several coats of Climax mascara.